Here in the I button and description box below, you will get complete playlist of discrete mathematics. Welcome to video number 10, and in this video we are going to learn what is an ordered pair and equality of ordered pairs. Okay, equality of ordered pairs. These two topics we are going to learn in this video. Before I start this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something from my videos, then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this discrete mathematics with your friends. Okay, yes, with this we will start our topic, that is what is an ordered pair. Okay, yes, an element of the form a comma b. Okay, an element of the form a comma b is called an ordered pair. Here you can see how we write ordered pair, that is a comma b. Okay, both the numbers, both letters, or any object. Okay, yes, they are separated by a comma. Okay, and enclosed with a bracket. This is not a curly bracket. Okay, simple bracket. This is how we need to show an ordered pair. Okay, yes, so an element of the form a comma b is called an ordered pair, where a is said to be first element and b is said to be my second element. Okay, now we will see what is an equality of ordered pairs. Second topic, that is equality of ordered pair. Yes, let's suppose we have two ordered pair, that is a comma b and c comma d. Okay, these two are my ordered pairs. These both is said to be equal, that is a comma b is equals to c comma d. When? Okay, when these two pairs will be equal, when a is equals to c and b is equals to d. Okay, if a is equals to c and b is equals to d, then only we will say that is these two ordered pairs are equal. Okay, let us define this equality of ordered pair, that is let a comma b and c comma d be any two ordered pairs. A comma b is equals to c comma d. It happens when a is equals to c and b is equals to d. Okay, yes, the ordered pair is used in the product of two sets. Okay, in the next video we will see how to find product of two sets, and in that video only we will solve one problem. Okay, and we will using in that video we will be using this. Okay, that is ordered pair, how to write an ordered pair in product of two set. Okay, yes, so finally you can see this ordered pair is written in this form, that is in bracket you need to write two or more. Okay, here you may get more than two elements also. Okay, yes, let's suppose we have two elements a and b. Okay, so a comma b in this bracket, this is my ordered pair. Okay, now these two will be equal. When two will be equal? When a is equals to c and b is equals to d. Okay, thank you so much.